For all the couples who have just moved into a new home, now you have your own kitchen, but you do not know what to cook. I have healthy and simple recipe for two just for you. Today, I'll be sharing with you steamed Dang Gui Chicken with Black Fungus and chilled tofu with century egg. These two dishes are simply delicious and you can easily make them from home. To start, I have 2 whole chicken legs here and I'm going to marinate it. So here I have oyster sauce, Chinese cooking wine, light soya sauce, sesame oil, a dash of white pepper powder, corn flour, salt. So now I'm going to give the chicken a good mix and I'm going to put it in a Ziploc bag. So this will go into the chiller and I'm going to marinate it overnight so that all the flavors will be infused in the chicken. If you do not have time, you can actually just marinate for at least 20 minutes and you are good to go. So next, I'm going to prepare the black fungus and red dates. I'm going to put them in a bowl of warm water and soak them for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, the black fungus will expand and that's where I'm going to cut the hard part away. After that, I will also cut the red dates into half. Okay, for the ginger, I'm going to use a spoon to deskin it. It's really easy to do. After which, I'm going to julienne it. So for the wifey, please do not mistaken this as somebody else's name, or your husband's lover. It's just a fancy name to cut the ginger into strips. So here's a little tip for you. So if you have chilled the chicken overnight in a chiller, it's best for you to take out 15 minutes before steaming it so that your chicken can be easily cooked through. So now all our ingredients are ready and we're ready to steam it. So now I have a steaming plate here. I'm going to lay the black fungus as the base, spread some ginger on it, and put the chicken leg. Remember, do not stack the chicken leg, so that it can be cooked easily. After which, add on the remaining ginger, goji berries, red dates, and most importantly, the Dang Gui slices. So steam it for 25 minutes and you're good to go. So I'm going to steam this chicken for 25 minutes. So meanwhile, I'm going to prepare the chilled tofu with century egg. For this dish, I'm going to prepare the shallots. I'm going to slice them into thin pieces. And for the spring onion, I'm going to chop them into fine pieces as well. So for the century egg, it can get a little bit messy when preparing it, so watch how I do it. So keep the century egg in the plastic bag that comes with it. Use your thumb to push down the soil on the century egg. After which, just give it a good rinse. So crack the shell, remove it completely. Then cut them into half, followed by quarter and into small pieces. So now I'm going to prepare the sauce. The seasoning for the sauce includes soy sauce, fish sauce, sesame oil, water, a dash of pepper. So I'm going to add in the chopped spring onion, shallots, and I'm going to cut the chili padi into it. Give it a good mix and give it a taste test. If you like it a little bit spicier, just feel free to add in more chili padi. Over here, I have a block of silken tofu, which is good for 2 person. I'm going to spread the century egg over it. I'm going to drizzle the sauce over. And if you have extra spring onion, you can garnish it. And lastly, you can garnish it with the Japanese cuttlefish flake. That is totally optional, but it just looks really good and adds on to the flavor. And ta-da! The dish is ready. 25 minutes is up and our steamed chicken is ready to be served. This dish is extremely nutritious because it has Dang Gui slices and also the black fungus. These 2 ingredients are great for blood circulation and help in fighting fatigue, and it's great for women's health as well. So now both dishes are ready. I'm gonna eat it now. it looks really nice. It's really good. So there you have it. Two very simple and nutritious dish. Steamed Dang Gui Chicken with Black Fungus and chilled tofu with century egg. They are really easy to make, and I'm sure you can do it at home too. I hope you like these two recipes today, and if you do try it, do let me know in a comment box below. So hope to see you soon! So I hope you like the recipe, and I hope you will. What's a hope? I hope you like these two recipes, and if you do, I hope you like these two recipes. I hope you like. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I hope you like these two recipes. I hope you like these two recipes that I've shared with you today. And if you do try it, do let me know in a comment box below. 我一直忘记那个 line。是什么？